Hey guys, so I'm waiting for my brother and my best friend from high school to get in from Ohio, and I'm gonna be doing this vlogging thing this weekend. Yeah, right, me vlogging. But I'm really excited. I think it's gonna be a really fun weekend, and they're gonna be here in 3 hours. Cool. Hey, got the fam in Chicago. Got what up, what up?
Too famous to talk.
Too famous to talk?
No, I like it a lot. I like it a lot.
How do you feel about being a Chicago man?
Actually, it's a lot. I don't think I like the city that much.
How do you feel about being a Chicago man?
I like to visit here, but not live here.
I feel that.
Exactly
I feel
what
that.
I said.
Oh, is it?
Dane and I both have that same exact belief.
Resist.
Yes. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Off to Wicker, I'm so pumped. Let's go. That timing though. This is my brother Nate, and this is my friend Austin I grew up with. He's a hugger, everybody. Hey. Austin's favorite thing ever, vegan. You know, I'll tell you, it's like Buffalo Exchange. These are totally Austin right here. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. That one's pretty good. I like that one. If I just adjust it a little bit more. Yep. There we go. Oh, there it is. Oh, no. Where are we going, guys? Where are we going?
Go to Native Boots.
North Avenue Beach. Got Nate over here. Pokemon game, killing it. And we got our favorite weird friend back there. He's waving. Gotta love him. Shout out to Trainer Tips. That's what's killing it. We're going to North Avenue Beach to get some Pokemon and then the planetarium after. So really excited about that. We out here, brothers, Colegrove brothers killing it. Wait, so what'd you just get?
A Lapras.
A Lapras, 10K egg Lapras?
It was 1657. My best so far.
You guys should.
Yo, last Pokeball, last Pokeball. Okay, praise it, praise it. What does it say? Ooh, dude, it's above 80, it's above 80.
I wanna be the very best, like no one else. no test. To train them is my cause.
Not worth it. Look who I spied.
Doors closing.
How's that Saturday going?
Good.
How's it like riding the trains? Is it fun, or is it like you get bored really quickly?
Probably the second one.
I think it's really fun and dandy riding the trains.
Dandy? It's real dandy.
Real dandy.
Dandy, everybody.
Dandy.
Let's never do that again. Never.
I gotta keep up the figure.
The figure. And he chose watermelon. Winning.
Put it back, sir. Yes, please.
Alright.
I got watermelon. I got coconut covered dates. I got golden California figs.
Wow, he's so cool. Hashtag my vegan life.
Hey guys, we're going home.
Bye.